everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. So I'm really excited. Summer bundle is ready to release. You're receiving this email on a Thursday as long as all goes well. And it releases on Friday at noon. Make sure to RSVP if you would like early access. And when you RSVP, it really just helps me gauge where I'm at and how many sticker sheets I'm going to need. Because I've been printing and cutting stickers nonstop for days now. And guys, you know I'm on a mission, and look, we are making a difference in the world together through stickers. For my spring bundle, I donated 10% of the proceeds to help protect children in the Ukraine. And we did this together. It was just shy of $100, so I rounded up to $100. And then paid the transaction fees, which was $4.90. So we donated $104.90 to help children in the Ukraine. And you know what, guys, even if it's just one child, that's my heart, is I want to help children in the world. And we're doing it together. Way to go, guys. Continuing to pray for the people in Ukraine. And God's word says to overcome evil with good and to pray for our enemies. I've even been praying for their enemies and, of course, protection, and just, ready for this to be over and peace to their nation. All right, so I want to keep it going with donating to charities with each of these bundles, because it makes my heart feel like there's purpose involved in this, other than just, collecting pens and stickers and all the fun stuff that we absolutely love, which is great. But this part just makes my heart smile. So 10% of the profits from the summer bundle, I thought about it and I checked out different charities, and I was like, you know what? I want to help some children go to summer camp this year. Summer camp I only went once as a child, and it's some of the greatest memories that I have. And my family was not able to afford to send me to summer camp because it was expensive, but they had an opportunity to actually work harder for me to go and be able to go to summer camp. And I'm so grateful. So that's what I was thinking. I was like, all right, let's send a kid to summer camp. I found American Camp Association. I did a lot of reading about them. They've been around for like 100 years. They have 12,000 members. They are a nonprofit. They have 3,940 camps across the nation. And I loved this. Diversity, let me move this up. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. And at the American Camp Association, we believe diversity, equity, and inclusion are at the heart of a thriving camp experience. We empower positive change in the world when your youth and adults of all backgrounds, beliefs, identities, and abilities are valued and actively engaged in camp and camp leadership. So I thought that was beautiful. So 10%, guys, we're going to send a child to summer camp. All right, let's get started. First, I want to do a shout out to my Happy Meal Club members. I love you guys. You make my heart so happy. And you get first dibs. You have pretty much been buying all of them, so that's why you don't see a lot about it on social media. But thank you. I love you guys. I'm so very grateful. And I love the interaction. I love hearing from you and seeing all your creations on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So thank you guys. Make sure to tag me. I love packaging. This is some super cute packaging. It goes along with the theme of this summer bundle. There's like 4 different designs of tissue paper. And I'm not showing you the bubble packs. That is going to be a surprise when you get it in your mail. A little bit of happy mail. I'm doing some things differently this time too. I had a couple of people ask to be able to purchase the sticker sheets separately because they wanted an extra set, and I haven't ever done that before. It's just been all in a bundle. Well, this time I'm going to have 3 variations on my website. It will be $20 for just the stickers, $35 for the bundle, and then if you want my sticker book with the bundle, it's $45. So you get my sticker book for $10. That's the variations and the pricing. All right, you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Here we go. How pretty. This theme is a summer floral and fruit theme. I made some little tags. Guys, this is a vinyl decal sticker, and it is kiss cut, so you can just pull it up and you could have a little logo sticker of mine. I wanted to dress up the bags a little this time and had that idea. So yeah, you got a little sticker here. And there's bonuses in here, guys. I went nuts on the paper clips. You know, you normally get 9 or 10 paper clips. Well, there's 12 paper clips in this bundle. I'm gonna have to save that for a minute. Oh, and you can kind of already see. Look how cute this is. This is the packaging for the paper clips. It's a popsicle, just a little clear plastic popsicle. Isn't that cute? We'll go through the rest of the paper clips soon. All right, the diamond pen that we've been collecting together. Love these. I've even had people ask for refills for the ink because they love how they write. And I'm so glad to hear that you love these pens. I just love looking at them. So it's this real pretty blue, like an ocean blue, is what it reminded me of. And a washi cutter, because these are so wonderful and they work fantastically. And this is such a little pretty set. I thought I'd make real pretty pictures for Instagram too. All right. So the notepad and the washi tape this time are fruit themes. This is super cute. Just a little notepad, and there's lots of different ones, so you'll be surprised at which one that you receive, as well as the washi tape is a watercolor fruit. So pretty, so very pretty, and every single one of them are pretty. Yeah, this one is peaches. So there's like peaches and strawberries and watermelons and pomegranates and all kinds. They're really cute. All right, and a pen loop, a matching pen loop. And you may also receive either a turquoise or pink pen loop. So, yeah, little color surprise. I like for there to be some surprises. Okay, so we'll do the stickers last. I'm trying to make this a little bit faster than usual. All right, here are the paper clips. I'm gonna leave this here so you can see. Actually, you know what? I'll use my piece of paper. Oh my goodness, they are so very cute. Right on top here, look at this. And it's so big, a great big flamingo paper clip and a strawberry and a sun and a pineapple. And I love these little swirly paper clips. We're gathering a little bit of a collection now, aren't we? And look how cute these are. These cherries, love them. This one is so cute. It's a little seahorse. Isn't that precious? I love it. Yeah, a little seahorse. And a water drop that just reminded me like the ocean, like a drop in the ocean. And then look here, to go with the seahorse is a dolphin. And then there's a bonus paper clip of a piece of fruit. And this comes in a variety of different fruits. This is the pink strawberry. There's also a banana and a lime and a lemon. So there's a bonus and it'll be a surprise. I hope you like them. Yes. I've made some wonderful paper clip friends lately. So that's great on Instagram. People that love paper clips as much as I do. Or leave me a comment if you would, and just you tell me what is your favorite. What's your favorite part? Besides the stickers. The stickers are all of our favorites. So here we go. There are a ton of stickers in here, guys. A ton. Starting off with these exotic watercolor florals with some greenery. So pretty. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And instead of having the little tiny squares, I have reformatted my templates, and now it's just longer ones. But look how pretty these are. I think the orange one's my favorite. So very pretty. And here's the big one of it, that big orange watercolor. So pretty. So lots of florals and greenery for your spreads. And then the next one is some flamingos and parrots and palm trees. And these are overlays, watercolor overlays. I test all the stickers when I go to the first run, print it out, print one copy, cut one copy, and then I take all the stickers off and put them in my planner, just a planner that I have on the side that is just for stickers. I don't plan in it. But yeah, so these overlays are beautiful, and it goes right, that sandy part, if you put it right on the weekday, is just so pretty. Let me go get it and I'll show it to you. Here you go. Look how pretty those are. And there's no rhyme or reason to this. I just take all the stickers off the sticker page, put them down, check the cut lines, see if everything looks all right before mass production. So, little toucans, some flamingos, palm trees, and then lots of florals. These really cute birds you saw on that page. Yeah. Some more overlays, because you do have 7 of these, and then a big one. And then these gorgeous florals. Look how pretty. They're so bright and vibrant. The hibiscus is beautiful. And how fun are these? All right, so the next set is one of my favorites. And there's a bonus sheet of these. I had only planned on doing a half page of these, but I ended up doing a whole page because I liked them so well, and they're just gorgeous. And there's a ton of teeny tiny shells stickers, and guys, even you can see all the details even in the teeny tiny ones. They just turned out so very pretty. Go to that page. Put that one first right here. Look, so you can really see how pretty those details are. So pretty. I love it. I think this is my favorite set. Some sand dollars and some little bitty ones you can use as bullets or just as more decorations. Lots of starfish and these colors, and then some pretty big shells. Just, oh, so pretty. All right, so the next one that's up is a part of our fruit theme. And I worked on this page and worked on this page, and I was like, I just don't know. I wasn't in love with it until I ended up, here, let me show you these, making these clusters. So I took all the stickers, all the flowers and the fruit from this bundle and made this this cluster for the bottom, or I put it at the bottom. I thought it looked prettiest there. That's not it. Where'd it go? That's not it. That's me playing. Oh, here it is. Okay. And I did it a couple of times. That's why you see 4 on here. Because I just needed to check all of them. But here you go. You can see where I placed them right here. I thought that looked just so very pretty. And then this is double the amount of stickers you actually get. And I'll show you. Go back to it. This is how many you receive from out of this little section right here. And now the next one is a bonus. I had so much fun clustering flowers, and normally, my planner, I like to do the clusters myself a lot of the times, my own little designs. Well, I love the cluster florals too, so I was like, you know what? I want to cluster some flowers this time. So I love hearts. I made these hearts. I just used the greenery from the other sticker pages, and then put the flowers that are in this bundle just right on top and made some cute little hearts. And then these tiny little clusters that are so much fun with the greenery and the flowers. Everything matches so well. And then I made these flower clusters on top of the flamingos. So you've got some extra flamingos here. And just these really pretty little corner clusters, or you could even turn them this way and put a box sticker under it, box sticker on top. I mean, there's just a million different things you can do, but I sure had a blast making these clusters for you. And this whole kit. So yes, thank you. I would love to hear from you. Make sure to RSVP if you plan on purchasing this bundle. 10% is going to go to help children get to summer camp this year. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please take a moment right now and hit that subscribe button. You make my heart so happy. Oh, I love you guys. I'm so very thankful for you, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.